Are your shoes slipping off and causing blisters? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Fix Heel Grips. Priced at just $9.99, these suede heel liners caught my attention for their promise of preventing heel slips and blisters. If you want to improve your shoe fit and comfort, this is worth a serious look. What makes these grips stand out is their self-adhesive backing. You simply peel off the cover and stick them on your shoes, no fuss. They're designed for various shoe types, from high heels to leather shoes, making them incredibly versatile. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of your heels slipping out or experiencing painful blisters, these grips provide a breathable, cushioned solution that keeps your feet comfortable throughout the day. Now, some users have mentioned that the adhesive doesn't last as expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not hold up forever, they're easy to reapply, and for under $10, you get 4 pairs. This is perfect for you if you own multiple pairs of shoes that don't fit quite right, but want to keep wearing them. Skip this if you're looking for a more permanent solution, but for quick fixes, it's a great value. Now, if the durability of the adhesive is a concern for you, this next product takes a completely different approach with a more robust adhesive design. Product number 2, the Riot NLM Heel Pads, which retail for $8.99. What caught my eye is their unique shock-absorbing foam designed to relieve heel pain and prevent blisters. If you're searching for comfort in shoes that are just a little too loose, this one's got your back. These heel grips are made with a 0.24-inch thick foam that's both soft and supportive, reducing friction between your shoe and foot. This is crucial for preventing those annoying blisters that can ruin your day. Plus, the double-sided adhesive is super sticky, which means they won't budge once applied, and they fit all types of shoes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No more worrying that your shoes will slide around or cause discomfort. However, some users did report that the adhesive can be a little too strong, making it tricky to reposition once stuck. But honestly, if you want them to stay put, this isn't a major drawback. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable solution that stays in place, but skip it if you prefer something you can easily readjust. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more extensive coverage. Product number 3, the Dr. Foot Heel Grips, priced at $6.99. This product impressed me with its generous cushioning and ergonomic design that hugs your heels perfectly. If you're dealing with slipping and rubbing, this one's worth considering. The combination of foam and microsuede makes these grips exceptionally comfortable. They prevent slipping while also offering great shock absorption, which is vital for protecting your heels from pain. They fit most types of shoes, from sneakers to dress shoes, which really broadens their appeal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can confidently wear your favorite shoes without the fear of blisters ruining your day. However, a few users mentioned that they found the grips a bit bulky for tighter shoes. But I'll be real with you, while they might feel a tad thick, they're also what keeps you comfortable. This is perfect for you if you want maximum comfort and support, but skip it if you have very fitted shoes that might feel compromised. Now, if the bulkiness is a concern for you, the next product offers a lighter, more adaptable solution. Product number 4, Mookie Fine Heel Pads. We have the Mookie Fine Heel Pads, which are priced at $8.49. These caught my attention for their promise of 4D full protection and ultra-soothing feel. If your shoes are causing you discomfort, these might just be the answer. These pads are made from high-quality memory foam, offering a soft cushion that molds to your heel, which is ideal for preventing blisters and friction. They come with a strong adhesive that doesn't leave residue, making them super easy to apply and remove. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You don't have to worry about damaging your shoes when you want to switch up your heel grips. However, some users expressed that the pads can shift a bit if not applied correctly. Here's the deal. If you take your time applying them, you'll get a snug fit, so it's really about the application process. This is perfect for you if you want a comfortable cushion that adapts to your movements, but skip it if you're in a hurry and need something that sticks perfectly every time. Now, if you're looking for something that really locks in, the next product is a must-see.
Product number 5, Ear Mat Heel Pads. Featuring at our number 5 spot, we have the Ear Mat Heel Pads, available for $7.99. What stood out to me is their anti-slip gel design, which promises a snug fit in your shoes. If you want to avoid heel slippage completely, this is a solid choice. These pads provide 180-degree protection with their ergonomic shape, ensuring that your heel fits tightly in place, which is key for comfort. The high-adhesive double-sided tape keeps them securely attached, so you won't have to keep adjusting them throughout the day. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can walk confidently knowing your shoes aren't going anywhere. That said, some users have reported that the adhesive can occasionally be too strong, making them hard to remove. But honestly, if you need them to stay put, this is more of a plus than a minus. This is perfect for you if you're looking for maximum security in your fit. However, skip this one if you frequently change shoes and need something more temporary. With all these options, let's wrap up and see which ones stand out the most.
So there you have it. The Made-Fix heel grips, the Rietlin heel pods, Dr. Foot heel grips, Muka Fine heel pods, and Ear Mat heel pods. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dr. Foot heel grips because they balance comfort and security perfectly. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Muka Fine heel pods if you're looking for something that stays perfectly in place every time. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.